The D-Series operator stations are designed for comfort, convenience, and productivity. They feature access from the front on both sides and rear and track roller frame access on the left side. Remember, always face the machine and use 3 points of contact when entering or exiting the machine. We've used tinted glass on our windows to reduce glare, giving you excellent visibility to the bucket, tracks, and around the engine enclosure to the rear. You sit in a fully adjustable, air-suspended, vibration-isolated seat, the Caterpillar C500 Series Comfort Air Suspension Seat. Take a moment to become familiar with the vertical seat adjustment button, the fore and aft levers, and seat back lever. Lumbar adjustment is located on the left side of the seat, and you can change the angle of the front seat cushion by lifting the cushion and pushing back. An optional heated seat is available. Both left and right armrests adjust for individual operator comfort. Controls are seat-mounted with improved adjustments for operator comfort, and seat-mounted controls also mean less vibration to your body. All controls and gauges are conveniently located for maximum comfort and optimum performance, starting with the travel speed and direction lever positioned on the left armrest. Our new track loaders offer hydrostatic drive system controls. The system allows quick speed and directional changes from a single control lever for maximum maneuverability. Next is the Work Travel Mode switch. Use it to change your engine speed while on the go. On the right armrest is the lever for bucket and lift arms. Electro-hydraulic implement controls allow easier operation and greater productivity. Your choice of single lever or 2-lever pilot controls is available for bucket lift and dump. With general purpose buckets, you can use either lever or joystick controls. With multi-purpose buckets, you must use joystick controls only, not lever controls. Directly in front of you is the new electronic monitoring system. 15 alert indicators in the dash and instrument panel provide all necessary functions and information within your normal line of sight. The new monitoring system constantly monitors all vital functions and alerts you to the nature and severity of any abnormalities. For complete details on these alert indicators, refer to your O&MM. The numeric message display provides you or the service technician with specific machine information. The monitoring system has a 3-level warning system. Check your operator's manual to find out what triggers a Category 1, 2, or 3 warning and what to do when a warning occurs. Upon startup, the warning system will go through a brief automatic internal self-test. Display lights illuminate and an alarm sounds. Visually check to confirm all gauges and display lights are working during this test. For complete details on warnings, refer to the Operation and Maintenance Manual. To the right of the instrument panel and dash display, you'll find the key switch and our new off-highway engine display called Messenger, which is an option on the D-Series track loaders. Messenger provides feedback on fuel consumption, diagnostic data, maintenance information, theft deterrence, and other important engine parameters to help reduce owning and operating costs. With Messenger, you'll also be able to program personal machine settings like steering and implement reactions. The new full-text Crystal LCD monitor is easier to read. Diagnostic codes and machine information is displayed with large numbers and text, and bar graphics that quickly show you fuel used. Plus, information can be shown in multiple languages. Simply use the 4 buttons at the bottom to modify parameters, such as engine idle speed and idle shutdown time. Below the gauge cluster are the steering and brake pedals. Steering pedals can be adjusted from 35 to 50 degrees depending on your preference. They allow precise control of each track independently and on-demand counter-rotation. Moving around the operator station to the right, you'll find the engine start key. The engine will always start at low idle, represented by the turtle symbol. When you want to throttle up, press the top of the switch, represented by the rabbit symbol. Operate at high idle for all normal operations. You can also depress and hold the switch, allowing the engine to ramp up or down gradually. This way, you can set RPMs at any range between low and high idle. When in the rabbit mode or work position, our engine works more efficiently to provide more force to the tracks, enhancing turning, pushing, digging, and dozing capabilities. In the work mode, top machine speed is limited to 70% of maximum for ease of control in tight places. Above that switch is the parking brake switch. Press the top of the switch to engage the parking brake. The parking brake must be engaged to start the engine. Press the bottom of the switch to release the parking brake. The hydraulic lockout switch is next. It's designed to deactivate the hydraulic controls. Press the top of the switch to deactivate the control levers. Deactivate these levers whenever the machine is left unattended. Press the bottom of the switch to activate the hydraulic controls. Below it is the implement kickout switch. The standard programmable automatic kickouts provide flexibility and productivity for precise load and dump target heights. Tilt and lift kickouts are set by positioning the bucket or work tool and setting the rocker switch. Refer to your O&MM for setting, activating, and canceling kickout preferences. The reversible fan switch comes next on the right console. If your machine is equipped with our new reversible fan, the engine will automatically surge the fan in the reverse direction during established intervals. Pressing the switch momentarily will immediately surge the fan in the reverse direction for 20 seconds. At the rear of the right console, you'll find the ripper control. Use it to put the ripper in the raise, hold, or lower position. And finally, on the right console is a 12-volt power port for a laptop or cell phone, a fuse box, and the electronic technician port. Now look up. The rear view mirror is located above the front windshield, maximizing the operator's visibility. A dome light is located above the right door. Strategically located vents and ducts provide improved ventilation and greater airflow, including faster defrosting of the windshields. The window wipers, work light, and beacon light switches are also above the right door. At the right rear of the upper control panel are the heating and air conditioning controls. Air conditioning comes standard on cab-equipped 953D and 963D machines. These machines also feature a new automatic temperature control. It maintains the desired temperature by automatically heating or cooling the cab. For accessing service points inside the cab, there are latches to hold the doors open. The release lever is accessible from either the interior of the cab or from the ground. Push down on it to release the doors. Also around you are convenient places for your personal items. There's a paper holder on the right-hand side. At the left rear is a coat hook. A second 12-volt power receptacle is located at the rear of the left control console. To the left of the seat is a cup holder and a spot for your tools or lunchbox. Everything is encased in a standard ROPS cab that's sound suppressed, sealed, pressurized, and resiliently mounted to the track loader frame to minimize vibrations. And the steel roof comes standard on the D series to resist bending and tearing.